this video, we will show you the easiest way how to add File Explorer new tab features on Windows 11. This method also works for Windows 10. If you want to try, and if your Windows doesn't have new tab for File Explorer like this, you can using File Apps application. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows. Then, type Files app. Make sure the Files app looks like this and click install. Wait until the downloaded process is done. You can replace later the icon File Explorer with this one. You can see here. Now your File Explorer is cool and have new tab like this. And you can also change the theme. This is very cool. If you want to using dark, it look like this. And you can custom theme also. Okay. Okay lah. Now, if you want to replace the default one with this, for example, I will choose another color in here. If you want to replace another or the default one, you can type Files app in here. Then you can click pin to taskbar. Then you can unpin this, the default. Now if you close, you can open the File Explorer look like this. Okay. Hope this video helpful for you.